Welcome to another interesting video with fun and unknown facts. Hope you will enjoy the video. Let's get started. Please do subscribe for more videos. Mars, also known as the Red Planet, was named after the Roman god of war. This appears to be a tradition. To the Greeks, it was Ares, their war god; to the Mesopotamians, Nergal, who was initially their god of war and later morphed into their god of the underworld. The Red Planet gets its nickname from its reddish tinge, a dust made up of ferric iron oxide particles. Scientists believe this dust coating is between a few millimeters to meters thick. Even though the surface is dry and cold, Mars does have water frozen in its polar ice caps. It is thought that, in total, these caps contain about 3.2 million cubic kilometers of water. In context, this is about 10 times the volume of the Great Wall of China. Mars is believed to have once contained a large ocean, but that this water evaporated over time. According to NASA, about 13% of its vast water body remains in the polar ice caps and possibly in underground reservoirs. On a toasty day in summer in the midday sun, Mars can reach temperatures of 20 degrees Celsius, but in winter it can drop to -125 degrees Celsius. The planet's main gas is carbon dioxide, which accounts for 96% of its atmosphere. It also contains a smidge of nitrogen gas, 1.9%, which makes up the major part of Earth's atmosphere. Observations by NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter have detected carbon dioxide snow clouds on Mars and evidence of carbon dioxide snow falling to the surface. Mars contains the tallest mountain on a planet in our solar system. At about 27 kilometers high, it is more than 3 times the height of Mount Everest. The Red Planet is renowned for its dust storms. Even Earth's most severe dust storm pales in comparison with what happens on the Martian surface. These storms are so huge that you can see them from here 225 million kilometers away, with a telescope. NASA's Curiosity rover, a mobile space laboratory, responsible for our latest glut of Mars data, is hardly a speed freak. This little robot travels at about 5 meters a second over flat ground. If it could trundle around the equator as the crow flies, it would take 25 years, and that's if it's moving at top speed and the Earth was flat. Their other rover, Opportunity, is not much faster. It has taken 11 years and 2 months to cover 42 kilometers. The CEO and founder of SpaceX announced a detailed plan at a conference in Mexico. The planned Interplanetary Transport System (ITS) will be made to carry at least 100 people to the Red Planet per flight. A self-sustaining colony on Mars is the vision of SpaceX within the next 50 to 100 years. Currently there are 6 orbiters, 1 lander and 1 rover operating on Mars. Mars is almost half the size of the Earth and its mass is only 10% of our planet's mass. You could jump around 3 times higher on Mars than you can on Earth. Boing. This is because the planet's gravity, the force that keeps us on the ground, is much weaker. Until recently, scientists believed that there was no liquid water on the surface of Mars, only rocks, soil dust and ice. But, newsflash. In 2018, they found evidence of a lake under the planet's south polar ice cap. Exciting stuff. Humans have not yet been to Mars, but scientists have sent spacecraft there to help them research this fascinating planet. The first spacecraft to land on Mars were the Viking landers, which touched down on the surface. A day on Mars is 24 hours and 37 minutes, only a little bit longer than a day on our own planet. A year on Mars, however, is almost twice as long, lasting 687 Earth days. This is because it takes a lot longer than Earth to complete its orbit around the Sun. Please do subscribe for more videos.